So guys, this is what we are going to be looking out for today on our gold. This will be our analysis for the day on our gold. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. And also you can follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our main trend. We are in an uptrend move. You can clearly see that gold. We are having a series of higher high and low currently playing out right on our gold. Now, this is the double bottom that market did give us. It gave us one rejection. Then this is the second rejection, which made market to eventually push up to break our neckline, then push up right. Now this is a pullback, right? Markets eventually does this pullback. Now markets eventually push up one more time again to form to take out this previous high, and this is a pullback, right? And now if you take a look at it, market is giving us a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So markets eventually push up one more time, and now it has come back to the test it again. You can see that once market comes back to the test it, then to see a rejection. And now it is at this level we are going to be expecting a rejection. So we should be expecting some sort of a bullish move for the gold. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame also. But when you take a look at what 4-hour time frame, you should expect like a bullish move right here. So let's see that bullish move to a level of 5141. So this is what our target for the day. Gold. We should be targeting a level of 5141. This is what we should be expecting gold. So expect a pullback to a level of 5141. The possibility that it will break above it, absolutely. Possibility very much there. If in case it breaks above it, to give you updates, and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe so you would not miss out on any updates. Also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.